good afternoon everyone. Since the weather is good, so today or this time I will come to the beach, which is the 66 beach or Legian beach, and let's walk around here before we go to the beach. And as you can see guys, the weather is really good today, sun shining, so I think we will see nice sunset. And this is the situations around here. It's really busy anyway, a lot of cars, scooters, and the tourists must be really happy to see the weather today. The weather is been really good actually for these last few days. Very less rain and a lot of sun. So I think this is what mostly people like to see, isn't it? That is Kuali restaurant. And now it's around 5 o'clock in the afternoon, so maybe most of the guests, they are still at the beach. A big Carla spa there on the right side, on the left side. Circle K. Wow, look at this. A lot of street food. If you want to try some bakso or other things, you can have it here. Okay, let's cross the road. Anybody of you planning to stay here? Furama Exclusive Hotel. They have their Ocean Beach Spa. Furama Exclusive Ocean Beach Semiyak, guys. To be honest, I'm not really sure how it is inside, because I tried to come here during COVID-19. They didn't allow me to go inside to see their rooms or their property. It was just okay. There's a restaurant also here. Let's have a quick look what they have here, since they have the menu. Oh, they have Indonesian food as well. They have Western food. Pak, boleh lihat-lihat ya. Pizzas, you can see the prices here. Kids menu as well. Dessert, beverages. Kasih ya. So they don't have only pizzas. They have a lot of other food, Indonesian food, Western food, and many more. This place, Zanzibar, it's quite busy at the moment. Look at that. They are doing good. And here is the Pavilion Surf Club. It's not really busy at the moment. They're on the second floor as well. Let's just keep walking before we go to the beach. But hello. Hello. There is a shortcut here, yeah? Where is this street going? Maybe next time I should drive to this small alley. The sun. Nice music there. They have DJ music. The coffee club. Follow the picture here. It looks nice salmon. Maybe you want to try? Those are a few restaurants or cafes that you can find along that street. So let's go to the beach, guys. But it's really windy at the moment. Let's keep walking. This is the situations at the moment here. Let's just walk by the beach first. Well, look at that. There are quite a lot of tourists here, which is good to see that. So people must be really happy to come here, especially when the weather is like this. Sun is shining. Last time we got like rain on and off for a few days, and a few times it was like so heavy rain, and now it is good. So for you that planning to come here during the rainy season, come to Bali generally, you don't need to worry actually. You will not see like rain every day. Sometimes we get rain, but you will have some sun as well. But it's really windy at the moment. And so far this area, the beach is quite clean, guys. Later let's walk closer to the water, to the beach, and let's see if it's good. Hopefully the beach is clean. Last time I came to one of the beach in south area, which is Malasti Beach. It was fantastic, very clean. It was just nice. And hopefully this area will be nice as well, or clean. Because I know some of you, maybe you don't feel really confident, or you are not really sure to travel to Bali during the rainy season. Like I said, you will be fine. It is okay, even during rainy season. And maybe in the video, most of you see the beach like Kuta Beach, Legian Beach. Sometimes it's dirty, Jimbaran Beach. But there are a lot more nice beaches that you can visit in south area of Bali, guys. Especially like Uluwatu area, Ungasan, a lot of nice beaches there. Do you know any of the barman here, maybe? There are a lot of dogs here. Look at that. Whoa, really big. Whoa. Whoa, 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 whoa. Whoa, whoa, whoa. It's really scary actually to bring that kind of dog, which is like really big. So you need to be careful. Okay, let's walk closer to the beach. In this area, I can say like more relaxing. No cafe. There are a few small bars or cafe, but not like in the other side, guys. That side, that is the 66 beach, and you will see a lot of cafes, bars, restaurants. So it's just different atmosphere. But unfortunately, still there are some like trash, plastics still on the beach, and it will take some time to clean all of these. So I hope the government will clean it quickly, because I know there are some team that cleaning the beach from the government. So I hope they're doing a good job so that people can enjoy the beach more. You want to learn surfing maybe? Well, it looks fun, yeah? Maybe I should try next time, once in a lifetime. Let's have a quick walk around in this area. Maybe it's getting busy, because this is the best time actually to visit this beach to see sunset. I like actually this area, but one I don't like is the music sometimes is too loud, guys. What do you think? Would you like to enjoy this kind of music? So almost every cafe or restaurants here, they have their musics there. Probably later they will have like live music. I like the live music better actually. So what do you think about this beach, guys? Do you want to come here maybe to enjoy your time after a few days no sunset in Bali? Okay, so that's all for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. See you again in the next one. Thank you very much and bye now.